Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you some backfires from a lawnmower. I'm running a Kohler Magnum 18 on this Craftsman here, and I got the throttle about halfway, and when you shut it down and start it back up, it's a pretty little epic backfire. I'm going to demonstrate for you. And headphone and volume warning, this is extremely loud. This is about as equivalent to a pistol or a shotgun. And as you can see, I have actually blown the muffler off. It's hanging down now. Yep, blew the muffler off of it. Oh, sorry. Yep, blew the muffler off. And well, hope you enjoyed this little video. I was going to do it 3 times, but you know what? Let's see if we can do it again. I don't actually, you know what? I don't even know if we can. We can try it. No, that's not gonna work. But I'm gonna have to put my muffler back on. Yeah. Well, until next time. Hope you enjoyed this video, like I said before, and have a nice day.